I was online when I saw this website, which is called the Cell Phone Cash, and everything about them looks too good to be true. And also, their page kind of looks like all those pages of most of all this, make money quick websites that promise you heaven and health, and possibly they later, fold up. But I went online, make more research on this platform, and that is why I've decided to come back to inform you regarding my research, and possibly you will be able to learn one or two things from this review, especially for beginners. As you can see right here, this platform says they promise to create you a new $1,000 per day done for you website that generates automated income from your cell phone. Now, the first thing you need to know is that $1,000 per day is just a marketing trick to get you to, be interested in this. $1,000 per day is not that easy to get. All right, now I don't mean people don't get it, but I'm just letting you know that it's not easy to get online. Okay, like as a beginner, it's not easy. So let's flow along, and I'm also going to be opening up on a lot of things. So you can say the word simple income generation website is ready to deposit commission in your account, and a whole lot to see if you get qualified for your website. So you can see you have to input your email address and all that. You see your place currently served, blah blah blah. I'm sorry that you've seen these already, so I wouldn't want to spend much of a time here. Now let's just talk about some key points that you should know regarding this website. Okay, now the first thing is the income generation. The platform promises to provide a simple income generation website for you that requires zero experience to set up, and it claims to generate income for you 24/7. Okay, another thing is the easy setup. Okay, so users are told that it takes only 15 minutes to set up the website. All right, and it's suitable for people of any age, ability, or background. All right, now I've been able to see some testimonials from people. I've gone to forums and some platforms, and a lot of testimonials from there are claiming that they are earning money. Okay, but you also need to be careful, because sometimes some testimonials are sometimes from freelancers and other people who maybe from them, but I've seen that there are some testimonials from people claiming they make money and it's legitimate. All right, and also steps to get started, like you'll be instructed on how to get started. Like you input your email, just like here you input your email there, and you will be good to go. And also see if you qualify for your home website, and follow the 3 steps to set up the website. Okay, and you're told that you start earning. Okay, so we have security and compatibility. The platform assures that there is enough secure, that their website is secured. Okay, and also they're telling us that there is no experience that is needed. Okay, they are saying you'll be able to earn on weekly and monthly basis. Okay, now what are the things that I see? What are my opinions regarding this website? Number one, there's a little bit of skepticism and doubt, because several users, including myself, have doubt about the legitimacy of cell phone cash. Okay, because it's kind of too good to be true, and it seems fishy and indicates a general sense of suspicion, because the fact is that there is no website out there that you will just go ahead and create and to start making money from you. Okay, if there's any website you see that is making money, it's either the owner of the website is selling something on the website. It's either you're selling something. If you have a website, before you be able to make money, you need to either sell something or you are running adverts. Okay, maybe you have this ads network, all right, which is being placed on your website, and the moment people clicks on this ads, or maybe when people read through on your website, you get paid from impression. Okay, impression means the numbers of people that see the advert. You can get paid for that, or you can get paid when people click on the advert. But you can't just create a website now and you expect that you'll be making money like that. Okay, so whatever these people are telling you that you just need to create a website, I mean, they're gonna create websites for you or whatever, and you will start making money. Like, I can't really say maybe it is fully a lie, but it's not 100% the truth. Okay, because you really can't just have a website now and it will start generating money. Okay, so you possibly need to be careful. This might be all those referral kind of program whereby you go ahead, you pay, your website is being created, and at the end you will have to keep bringing people to the website and doing all that. So it might be all this kind of MLM kind of approach. Okay, so you need to be careful about that. Any kind of business that is not too open, it's a little bit difficult to get into. Okay, so you can see right there, this one says cell phone cash has given me a way to generate hundreds per day without having to learn any skill, leave my house, or really do. So you can see that all these testimonials can easily be fabricated. You really can't guarantee maybe this is, I mean, they can easily just put anybody's name there. Okay, so you have to be careful about all that, all right? Also, from my research, I've been able to, learn more about the founder's background. I went ahead, do my in-depth research, and I'm able to see that the website is owned by Melvin Holmes. Okay, yeah, Holmes. That's by Melvin, and Melvin is good when it comes to affiliate marketing and has solid pricey courses in the past. Okay, so he has some courses that is created in the past and they're so pricey. So whatever this person is promising you here, I just want you to know that it's not as easy as it looks. Okay, because right there you can see you're being told that generate automated income from your cell phone, and or $1,000 per day done for you. Website, zero experience needed, takes 15 minutes to set up, perfect. Like, there is nothing direct. There's nothing like maybe you're selling something or you're doing something, like it's just you creating a website. So anything like that, you can see if you qualify to get your home website. Automatically, you will always be qualified. That's the fact. Okay, you always be qualified to get the website. So this is just all those make money online gimmicks that don't really favor the majority, or it only favors few percentage who are knowledgeable about how the internet marketing works. Beginners are always the people who lose in this type of and then in this type of program. Okay, the reason why I'm even saying majority is because I've been seeing some reviews from people saying it's legitimate, they're making money, even though they are not making much. It's not like they're making a whole lot of money. Maybe a lot of people I'm seeing saying $30, $50, that's the money they're making. But after all, they're able to make something. But those people, I can assure you that they are not even beginners. They're people possibly have been in the internet space already. Okay, so this looks like a pyramid scheme to me also, because this is not something open. And even those people saying they are making money, I feel they are also doing it just to bring people into the platform. Okay, so you just have to be careful about this. Don't go ahead, spend all your money thinking you have something that can make you money without doing anything. It's not possible. And as you can see right there, all your points are not, they have nothing to explain. They just said zero experience needed, takes 15 minutes per day, or to set up. Takes 15 minutes to set up, perfect for every solution, for any age, 3 simple and free steps to get new website working for you. Like, what is the new website? Okay, what is it about? They did not open it, they just said new website. So stuff like this, you have to be careful. I cannot I cannot enroll for anything like this. Okay, and another thing you need to know is that just like I said, this is a pyramid scheme type of business. Okay, and also the lack of information is a turn off for me. I really can't go ahead with this. Okay, and the testimonials lacks validity. Okay, the testimonials are not really legitimate to me, they lack validity. So I really wouldn't recommend this for anyone that is listening to me. Okay, now I'm not saying maybe this is a scam, but I just don't recommend it. Okay, I feel this is all those MLM type of stuff, so you have to be very careful. Okay, so that is what I have to say regarding this platform. However, a lot of people have been asking me, Maverick, what can we do? I'm interested in making money online, but I don't really know what I can get into. Well, someone like me, I do YouTubing. As you can see, you're able to listen to me on YouTube. What I do is YouTubing, and I have several other YouTube channels, either like 3 other channels that I run. But it wouldn't have been easy for me, or possibly it would have cost me a whole lot of money to run, because it's not easy to run even one channel, not to talk of 3 other channels that are like 4 channels altogether. So that is why I use artificial intelligence, okay, to run it. And what I do hear from a lot of people is that they are kind of shy. They don't have the boldness to show their face or even use their voice. Okay, so it's okay. Okay, you can use AI to start running your YouTube channel. Okay, and with AI you have a unique voice, okay, that's gonna be creating your videos for you and doing everything. So AI is one of the means that I use, and the AI tool that I use is called Jet. Okay, now with Jet, life becomes easier because Jet does all the creation of the video, creating the video for you, writing the description, title, creating the thumbnail, and also helping you with a page that you can use like a template. It has several page templates that you can edit, and you can use it to generate links. Okay, so more like done for you type of stuff. Okay, so Jet is what I use for my YouTube videos. And not this one, though. I have several other channels that I use it for, my dropshipping channel and several other ones out there. So you can try and use Jet also in case you are, you don't have the time, okay, and it's an AI that can help you how to create. So you can upload these videos that is being generated on YouTube Shorts, long form videos, and you can make money just from YouTube ads revenue. Okay, so this is the best way that I know. And you can also sell products. Okay, you can go ahead, sell products to your audiences also. All right, you can join some affiliate platform and start selling digital products there. All right, so in case you're interested in Jet, you can click the link in the video description or check the screen. It's gonna be there, so it can help you how to learn more about Jet, and you can grab Jet today before things start getting different. All right, so I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, kindly make sure that hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos like this. And I wish you the best of luck, peace, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.